I want to show you today how to format your design for the laser. This sheet right here you're going to need because it has the pendants with the circles in them exactly as they're supposed to be. Let me show you where to find this, just so you're like, where do I go to get started? Where is that? Got lots of designs here open. Haha, I have way too much stuff open right now. All right, getting close, getting closer. Here we are. Okay, so where is this? If you go back to the positive, negative, oopsie, pendant design worksheet right here. Wow. There we are. Where it says formatting for the laser, download this file. This is the file I'm talking about, so you would download that file. Okay, so once you have the file downloaded, you're going to pick your top two designs. So I've got mine right here. And then what I'm going to do is, and this is actually kind of important, I know it sounds weird, but we need to get rid of the white here. So if I select this, you can see that there's actually white and black shapes. We're going to just get rid of the white shapes completely. So how do I do that? Let me show you how easy this is. Grab this tool right here. It's the magic wand tool. What this does is it grabs all the same colors. So check this out. If I click, see how all of this is selected. It looks like I've selected everything, but if you look carefully, the black areas are not selected, just the white. So if I hit delete, it just got rid of those. They're gone. That's what I wanted. And now what I want to do is take these, and I don't actually need these two. I'm going to get rid of them. And I'm going to move this up in here. And I want to just go ahead and position these exactly where I want them on my pendants. And what's going to end up happening is I'm going to lose a little bit of the shape right there because that's going to get cut out, but the rest of this is going to stay. And then let me show you how easy this is. You just select both of these, and we have to format it for the laser cutter. So the rules are with the laser cutter is that you can't have any strokes. So I'm going to click on my stroke here, and then I'm going to click no stroke. I mean fill. Sorry, can't have any fill. Click on your fill, and the laser cutter needs to be specific settings, otherwise it won't acknowledge it. So you just click on 0.25 points, black, and then drag this down. So this is going to be at 0, 0, 0 with 100% saturation. That's what it should look like. So if you just drag this down the lower left-hand corner, if you make it like kind of like a dark black like this, the laser kind of won't acknowledge it. So this has to be all the way in the corner. Doesn't matter which color you're starting off with. That's it. So that is ready to go and ready to be printed. And what's going to basically happen is this will be printed on clear acrylic and also in wood, and we'll show you how to format the rest of that. So this is ready to be turned in and saved. Very quickly before we do this, one last thing I want you to do is for each of these pieces, grab it and say Object, Group, and then grab the other one and do the same thing, Object, Group. The reason why is because if we click on these, you see how like by grouping them, I can grab the whole thing and I don't accidentally move stuff around like that. And then just so we know whose is whose, down in the bottom, and the laser cutter's stupid again. So when you do this, you want to make sure that you're using a color that we're not going to use in the laser cutter. So grab a nice green color and write your name down there, and then move this up. So that way when we get this ready to format, we can just know whose is whose by doing that. So this is ready to be saved as an Illustrator file and turned in, and that's pretty much how it's